Alright, check it out. We got 1,500 ladybugs here. They're anxiously awaiting to escape out of this bag. They've been locked in the milk for weeks. They're thirsty as can be. I'm sure they're hungry, and I got a lot of food for them. See how this works when I open this bag. I'm sure they're going to come rushing out. Sprinkle some on there maybe. Maybe if we just let them crawl out.
There you go.
Funny plants. There we go. Now they're coming out.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna find a bunch of food on there.
He's fast.
Yeah, he is. Go on there. I got them everywhere. Get off me, you little turd.
Oh, the whole thing came out.
I was like, what's tickling? Yeah, they'll crawl off that thing.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Potato's the one that's got most of the stuff on it.
And this plant here.
Yeah. The one over there does too. They say you can put them on the bottom and let them crawl up. Best. They're all over this bag. See if we can get some more of them over on the potato over here. And sprinkle them down here on the bottom. There's a bunch over here on this one. I should have misted these down, I forgot. Do that in a second. Alright. They are definitely in Zen mode. All over the place. Once they get settled in, I've got a ton of white flies and aphids, I can tell you pronounce it, literally sucking the life out of my plants. So I just sent an army to go take care of them for me. Nature's army, the best way to do it. These guys come in, they're going to eat all them little bugs, torture my plants. They love pollen, so I've got plenty of flowers that are blooming. They'll love that. They'll be all over those. I got a nice food source for them. Continue. We just got to mist the plants, keep them kind of moist for them. That gives them something to drink, and they'll do the rest. I think they only have a lifespan of about 2 weeks. So I guess they pretty much eat, get busy, and eat, and get busy some more. So I guess that's the life of a ladybug. Who's your prepper out?